Every breath we take is becoming a struggle. Our cities are suffocating. Our lungs are under siege. With each new day, nature's equilibrium is fading away.
In India, air pollution is not just a problem, it's a crisis. Cars, factories, and construction release nitrogen oxides, ammonia, VOCs, and particulate matter into our atmosphere. Those particles don't just float away. They instead get into our bodies, triggering asthma, lung disease, heart disease, and shortening millions of lives. Air pollution in India is estimated to kill about 2 million people every year and is the fifth largest cause of death in India.
There is a silent killer among us: air pollution. 99% of the world's population is breathing unsafe air. Every breath is a risk to health. Deadly airborne particles from agriculture, factories, exhaust emissions, and wildfires infiltrate our lungs, bloodstreams, and other organs, compromising our well-being. Like smoking, air pollutants lead to heart and respiratory diseases as well as cancer. The damage is huge. Indoor and outdoor air pollution claims 6.7 million lives and costs health systems over $8 trillion every single year.
In our crowded cities where green spaces are shrinking and lifeless walls surround us, nature alone cannot fight back fast enough.
Now that we understand the scale of the pollution crisis, what if our very walls could help us fight back? Our solution is something we call living air detox tiles. They look like ordinary ceramic or clay tiles, but they are coated with a living layer of air purifying bacteria. Here is how it works. When polluted air flows over these tiles, the bacteria immediately absorb harmful pollutants like nitrogen oxides, ammonia, and volatile organic compounds. Then, through natural biological processes, they break them down into harmless byproducts. Things like water, nitrogen, and safe amounts of carbon dioxide. In simple words, these are walls that don't just stand still, they actually breathe life into our surroundings.
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Aris and I'm going to explain you the science and technology used in our solution. As you know, our colleagues have already explained this problem and also the solution that we're working towards. That is making a ceramic clay tile which is infused with a living layer of bacteria which will break down the harmful substances like nitrogen oxides, ammonia, the volatile organic compounds. And these can be integrated in eco-tile forms on urban cities, hospitals, and metro stations. So how exactly this will work, first I'll explain that. So first, polluted air will flow into these bacteria-infused tiles. The bacteria will biodegrade these substances into simpler words so that they are not harmful anymore. On top of that, this will release some byproducts, for example, some water, hydrogen, and say CO2 in safer amounts. So what is the science and technology behind this? How will this exactly work? I'm going to explain that now to you guys. Now I'm going to exactly explain you how will we integrate the system. So first thing first is the base material, that will be a ceramic clay tile. Now we will probably put a biocompatible, pre-treated biocompatible silica or hydrogel to integrate these bacteria. So what are the different types of bacteria we're going to use in this biodegradation process? First is the Pseudomonas purida, which will break the volatile organic compounds like benzene and toluene. The next one is Nitrosomonas europaea, which will convert the ammonium, which is NH2, into nitrate, NHOs. Then Bacillus subtilis, which will absorb the particulate matter and formaldehyde. We will also use species of Acintobacteria, which will degrade the hydrocarbon pollutants. Also, we will use a species of flower bacterium, which will be used in organic and also odor control. Then we will also use angelic beads and gelatin matrix to integrate the bacteria for the bacterial immobilization. Then we might optionally use a nutrient system. To finally integrate system, we will use a tile housing system. Now that is all. Thank you.
Think of hospitals, metro stations, highways, offices, and even our homes. Every wall could become a microbial lung, reducing nitrogen oxides, VOCs, ammonia, and smog right where it comes from. One city block covered in bio-urban detox tiles could clean as much air as thousands of trees. For cities with shrinking green space, this is nature reborn in a new form.
And here is the best part. These tiles are low maintenance. With just a little hydration and airflow, the bacteria stay active for weeks and even months, continuously cleaning the air around us. Now imagine the possibilities in metro stations where thousands of computers breathe every day, in hospitals where clean air is critical for recovery, on highway walls and bus stands where pollution is at its worst, and even in our homes as part of green, sustainable design. With living air detox tiles, we are transforming something as ordinary as a wall into a silent, self-sustaining air purifier.